Do you know why Taylor Swift chose this blank space lyric for her wedding handkerchief? That sounds romantic, but there is a hidden meaning, a secret behind it. Let's find out in simple English. This is Old Music Pod. Music, fun, slow English.
Nice to meet you, where you been? I could show you incredible things.
Nice to meet you. Where have you been? I could show you some incredible things. When somebody says, nice to meet you, you should simply reply, you too or me too. Yes, you too. So, nice to meet you. Where have you been? I could show you or I can show you some incredible or amazing or extremely surprising things. Before we continue, there is something important you should know. Most people think that blank space is Taylor Swift telling her love story. Actually, it's almost the opposite. She's making fun of the image the media created for her. She said, I created this character because that's how the media described me. With that in mind, let's continue and see what the secret is with Sailor and 89.
Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought.
Slow English, magic, madness, heaven, sin. I saw you there and I thought, magic, like this. Madness or craziness. Heaven, a perfect place. Sin, something you shouldn't do. Something which is forbidden. I saw you there and I thought, saw is the past form of the verb see. Thought, the past form of the verb think. So, many different things came to my mind when I saw you. Let's continue.
Oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake.
Oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Looking at your face, I can tell you, you're going to break my heart. You're going to be the next mistake. The verb look like or seem like is important. For example, this seems like a good idea. Which one is true, A or B? Which one? Looks like or look likes? The answer is A. Looks like. This looks like a good idea. Love's a game, wanna play. Love is a game. Wanna play or want to play? So, wanna means want to. Do you remember gonna? Gonna means going to. So remember, wanna means want to. Gonna means going to. And the next line, new money, suit and tie, I can read you like a magazine. New money. I guess it means a person who became rich recently. New money. Suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. So, you became rich recently. You wear a suit and a tie to impress people, and I know which kind of person you are. I can read you like a magazine.
Ain't it funny? Rumors fly, and I know you heard about me.
Slow English. Ain't it funny? Rumors fly, and I know You heard about me. Ain't it funny? What is the meaning of ain't? Look at the question, take your time, pause the video, and write your answer in the comments. Now be careful. The verb ain't can replace all these verbs. Isn't, wasn't, didn't, don't, whatever. But here it simply means isn't. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? Ain't it funny? Rumors fly. Rumors fly, or rumors spread quickly. This is an idiomatic expression that means people spread gossip and stories, okay? And I know you heard about me.
So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends.
So, hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. I'm dying to do something means that I really want to do something. I can't wait to do something. For example, I'm dying to meet her means that I really want to meet her.
Grab your passport and my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend.
Grab your passport and my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. Grab your passport, grab your coffee, grab my hand. Please take my hand, take your passport. I can make the bad guys behave differently just for a little while.
So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames.
So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. As you remember, Taylor chose this part. It's gonna be forever for her wedding handkerchief. Whether she chose it for its meaning, its symbolism, or simply because she loved this line, it is a beautiful choice for a wedding. Now let's decode it. It's gonna means it's going to. Gonna means going to. It's going to be forever. Or it's going to go down in flames. Go down in flames is an idiom. It means to fail completely. For example, their business or their relationship went down in flames. It failed completely.
You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain.
You can tell me when it's over if the high was worth the pain. After this relationship is over, is done, you can tell me if the high, the exciting, happy moments were valuable enough to make all the pain, all the difficulties acceptable. So you just tell me if it was worth it or not.
Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane.
Got a long list of ex-lovers. They will tell you I'm insane. Got or have got or have, no difference. I have a long list of ex-boyfriends. They will tell you I'm out of my mind. I'm insane.
'Cause you know I love the players and you love the game.
Because you know I love the players and you love the game. Here, the word player doesn't mean a sports player. No. It means a person who wants to date many people without wanting a serious relationship. Because you know I love the players and you love the game. You love the excitement of relationships. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far.
Because we are young and we are reckless. We are not afraid to take risks. We are reckless. We'll take this way too far. When I say I take something way too far, means I continue it without a reasonable limit. For example, you took the joke way too far. It'll leave you breathless or with a nasty scar. It will leave you breathless, like this. Means excited. It will leave you excited or with a nasty scar. Nasty means very, very bad. Okay, there are two ways. You will be excited or you will be emotionally hurt.
But I got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.
But I have a blank space, an empty space. I will write your name. I will write your name. Write your name. Practice. Write your name. Yes. And the next line. Cherry lips, crystal skies, I could show you incredible things. Cherry lips, the lips which are beautifully red like a cherry. Crystal skies, the skies which are perfectly clear like crystal. I could show you incredible things. Do you remember? Nice to meet you where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Yes? And let me ask a question. Have you ever been in a toxic relationship? And what's your idea of a perfect relationship? Write your answer and I'm going to read your comments.
Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby, I'm your queen.
Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, I'm your queen. Steal, stole, stolen. Stolen kisses, secret kisses. Pretty lies, the lies which seem nice. You're the king, I'm your queen. And the next line. Find out what you want, be that girl for a month. Okay, find out means discover, get information. This is a very important verb. Find out or discover what kind of girl you want. I can be that girl for a month, just a month. And let's continue. Wait, the worst is yet to come. Wait, the worst is yet to come. When I say X is yet to come, means X is coming. For example, don't give up. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn.
Screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. This idiom is important. To turn the tables. To completely reverse a situation. For example, now you are in control. I turn the tables. I turn the tables. Now I'm in control. So the idiom, turn the tables.
Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like
Rose garden filled with thorns. Something seems beautiful, but it can be dangerous. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like. The verb second guess means to doubt or to question your decision again and again. You question your decision like, Oh my God, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy. Oh my God, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy. The noun is jealousy. The adjective is jealous.
But you'll come back each time you leave. Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
You will come back each time you leave. You come back each time you leave. Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. I look perfect like a daydream, but I'm a disaster like a nightmare, like a frightening dream. Okay? I am a nightmare. I am a disaster.
Boys only want love if it's torture.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn you. Warn you. Boys only want love if it's full of pain, if it's painful. Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't tell you. Just a quick reminder, Taylor is making fun of the public image the media has created for her. So, throughout this song, there are many lines which are intentionally exaggerated. And now my question. If you were getting married today, would you choose such a sentence, so it's gonna be forever, for your wedding handkerchief? Yes or no? And you can watch this one.